There are many options for cloud computing that customers can go to. However, with Telesystem, we're able to be very nimble and reactive. As a local company, your data is not stored in some other country that you don't know where it is. It's right here in the Midwest. We protect it, we have redundant locations, and we're able to deliver you service quickly and with a relationship that you can trust.
What helped us determine whether we should go cloud or not was the space savings. We were running out of space, the electrical costs, the cooling costs. We were having to increase the cooling in our server rooms, and we were running out of rack space.
We were able to assemble a package where we created a redundant fiber optic path and delivered their cloud services over a point-to-point Ethernet connection rather than across public transport on the internet.
We use Telesystem for our ambulatory services, which is an application called NextGen. It's an EMR and a financial system that each one of our remote offices connects into. To have something off-site, out of hand, was a difficult decision because we're used to being hands-on here. So as far as going to cloud, it was what kind of hands-on, what kind of changes we would be able to make ourselves. Just with the hands-off, was probably the biggest thing. We are also, now that we're required for disaster recovery, that actually pushed us to look into cloud services even more. We had housed the servers here, so it was a capital purchase for servers, networking, and then and we maintained those all on our own. Telesystem had a very good offer as far as pricing, their location. They're fairly close to us, and the reputation of their data services.
After understanding more about Wood County Hospital's situation, I was able to approach our cloud engineers and craft a specific solution for the hospital.
After evaluating the pricing, etc., and a tour of the facility, we decided on Telesystem because of the infrastructure. With the tour, they showed us the backup, the generator systems, and the way they told us their vision, the way they were going, and they didn't just tell us, but they actually showed us things that had been purchased that hadn't been implemented yet.
The fact that we're HIPAA compliant was critical to Wood County Hospital. As a healthcare provider, the HIPAA regulations are something that they're very focused on. Getting that certification was important not only to Telesystem, but to all of our healthcare customers.
The fact that the Telesystem is HIPAA compliant is extremely important. Without a provider to be certified HIPAA compliant, we would not have been able to utilize our services. The fact that we're a medical community, we have special and certain regulations, HIPAA being one of the big requirements. So protecting patients' information is, as always, is a major concern.
The fact that we have HIPAA and SOC 2 Type 2 certifications shows a customer that we've gone the extra mile and to get those certifications. They are not easy to acquire.
The benefits of going with Telesystem in the cloud is the reassurance of that things are being backed up, being taken care of. They're extremely responsive to requests, and it has freed my people up, which we have a limited size staff, not having to babysit a server or work on the networking if something goes wrong, loading updates, which servers constantly need updates. That's all taken care of at Telesystem. As far as moving to a cloud strategy, I think the hesitance would be similar to what ours was initially, was that if you don't really understand what the cloud is, it's a little unnerving to know your data is going to be out somewhere where you don't have your physical hands on it. We have been very happy with the service we've gotten through Telesystem, the extreme quick response when we have a need for any one of the servers that we have hosted with them, and the very limited downtime.
It's important to Wood County Hospital to have exactly what they needed because it can grow incrementally. If they need a little bit more memory, a little bit faster processors, a little more RAM, we're easily able to add that incrementally rather than in large chunks and at additional expense, keeping their overall cost low and the solution specific to their demands. Telesystem has a vested interest in Wood County Hospital. My goal is to empower our customers with the confidence they need to achieve their unique mission.